क्या तुम कभी अपनी मॉक टेस्ट देने के बाद स्कोर्स देख के रोए हो? Did you feel like no matter how hard you try, it is never enough? That is where Jovita was 1 year ago. She used to cry after low mock scores. She used to constantly doubt herself. And like you and many others, she used to wonder whether she would be able to crack JEE Advance or not. But in 2024, she secured AIR 177, and among lakhs of aspirants, she became the female AIR 4. What did she do differently when she was at her lowest? In today's video, we are going to uncover her journey, not just the rank, the mindset, the strategies, the setbacks, everything what you need right now.
That's a lot of money. I don't know.
Still, you have any
Yeah,
material?
donate.
अरे नहीं, ये एक वीडियो वाला आंसर नहीं, असली आंसर बताना। डोनेट क्या होता है?
Don't cry after every test you score less marks.
Very used to actually cry after. What would you do if you wake up as an opposite gender? If you're given that chance, what would be the thing you would be doing? Jovita, I want you to introduce yourself first, and then we can move ahead to the
Hello everyone, I am Jovita Hussain. I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra, and currently I am a student in CFA department in IIT Bombay.
अच्छा, तो तुम्हारा ऑलमोस्ट एक साल खत्म होने को आया आईआईटी में। हाउ वाज योर कॉलेज लाइफ लाइक?
Yeah, it was really good. Definitely was the hard work, and I enjoyed a lot.
Did you start preparing for JEE from class 11th or prior to that?
I started with my foundation course in 8th standard, and specific preparation for JEE I started in class 10.
तो फाउंडेशन कहीं ना कहीं हेल्पफुल रहा था बेस बनाने के लिए?
Yes,
Will you
obviously.
suggest to the coming aspirants who might be in class 8 or 9 to join a foundation course?
Yes, definitely. So, foundation course definitely helps you build the base of your concepts.
Mm.
And like, if you have done a foundation course, then you have an edge over the students who start like in 11th.
एक एडवांटेज हो जाता है, मूवर्स एडवांटेज, फर्स्ट मूवर्स एडवांटेज मिल जाता है। ठीक है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फाउंडेशन कोर्स, डिड यू पार्टिसिपेट इन एनी ओलंपियाड्स या कुछ अदर एग्जाम्स, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स?
Yes, I gave the Olympiad like NSCP, NSCC, NSCA, NSCA, like the national Olympiad.
Okay, so how can someone apply to this exam and how can they prepare?
Like applying is easy, so you have to go to the website of HBCSE.
अच्छा,
And you can apply there. And preparation, so for NSCP, NSCC, like JEE preparation is sufficient. For NSCA also, the maths and physics part, JEE is sufficient, but you may have to read a bit of astronomy also for that.
तो
And,
ये ओलंपियाड तुमने कब कब पार्टिसिपेट किया था? मतलब इन ओलंपियाड के लिए तुमने कब पार्टिसिपेट किया था?
in 11th and 12th.
11th and 12th only.
Okay, I was asking actually before that, have you participated in?
Before that, in 8th and 9th, I participated in the Junior Science Olympiad. And in 10th, I also gave the RMO.
Okay, तो ये हेल्पफुल रहा था क्या JEE प्रिपरेशन के लिए, ये ओलंपियाड्स?
NSCS in particular was very helpful because its syllabus is more or less based on the state syllabus. So it definitely helped studying for that.
Were there any moment जब तुम्हें लग रहा हो कि नहीं यार आज पढ़ने का मन नहीं, आज नहीं पढ़ेगी, ऐसा था? Were there any instances like?
Yes, like it happens with everyone.
हाँ.
But like when you talk to your parents, like you need some motivation. So I guess parents are the best source of motivation for anyone.
Okay, but still, for everyone, it is not possible to get motivated from parents. There might be some cases कि जहाँ पे ये हो नहीं रहा हो, तो what
Like-
advice would you give?
Like if you ever feel like not studying, you can just take a break, freshen up, like do something that you enjoy doing something.
तुम क्या करती थी अगर ब्रेक लेना हो कोई तो?
Like I used to listen to songs or just take a nap.
What were the books you used for free?
For physics, HC Verma,
Okay.
it's a word.
Uh-huh.
And for maths, I used only for calculus. I did some pencil. And for organic chemistry, MS Chauhan. In organic chemistry, JDD, and physical chemistry, RC.
Okay.
जोविता की स्टोरी अगर आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लग रही है तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले कीप इन माइंड उसने बस बुक्स पे फोकस नहीं किया, उसने जो सीखा उसको अप्लाई भी किया, प्रैक्टिस करी एंड टूल्स के साथ काम किया, एंड इसीलिए वो करियर रेडी है। बट व्हाट अबाउट यू? हर साल लाखों स्टूडेंट्स ग्रेजुएट होते हैं लेकिन 80% इंजीनियर्स के पास जॉब नहीं होती है। ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि करियर की प्रिपरेशन अभी भी थ्योरी फोकस्ड है, जबकि आज कंपनीज को चाहिए एआई, ब्लॉकचेन जैसी स्किल्स। अब आप सोच रहे होंगे तो सोल्यूशन क्या है? हमें चाहिए एक ऐसा टेक कॉलेज जहां पे कोडिंग, एआई टूल्स, ब्लॉकचेन, डीएसई ये सारे प्रैक्टिकल के बेसिस पे पढ़ाया जाएगा। तो ऑप्शन दो, मिराई स्कूल ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी आपको बस थ्योरी में नहीं बल्कि स्किल्स में रियल अपग्रेड देता है। और सबसे खास बात, तुम अपना खुद का एआई मॉडल बनाते हो एडवांस एप्पल रोबोटिक्स लैब। इनका अंडरग्रेड प्रोग्राम में बीटेक इन एआई एमएल ऑफर थ्रू 2 एआईसीटी अप्रूव्ड कॉलेजेस रथिनाम एंड हाईटेक। बट ये सिर्फ कोर्स ही नहीं दे रहे हैं, यहाँ पे 3rd ईयर में तुम इंटर्नशिप करते हो और बेसिक से लेकर एडवांस तक का सब कुछ हैंड्स ऑन सीखते हो। एंड फॉर वंडरिंग, गाइड कौन करता है? वही लोग जिन्होंने इंडिया के टॉप कोडर्स बनाए हैं, वरुण कोहली एंड कार्तिक माथुर फ्रॉम कोडिंग ब्लॉक्स। 50,000 ग्रेजुएट्स को ट्रेन करने के बाद अब ये डायरेक्टली कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स को डे 1 से इंडस्ट्री रेडी बनाते हैं। इंटरव्यूज, लाइव मेंटरशिप, प्लेसमेंट प्रिपरेशन कराते हैं। आप सोच रहे होंगे फीस बहुत हाई होगी, बट ऐसा नहीं है। आपके रेंज में 4 साल की फीस 10 लाख रुपए है, एंड अगर आप बहुत पैशनेट हो तो स्कॉलरशिप भी मिलती है। इसमें एंटर करने के लिए बस एक एंट्रेंस टेस्ट होता है, मिराई नेशनल स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट, और इसमें से बस टॉप 20% स्टूडेंट्स को सिलेक्ट किया जाता है। अगर तुम भी चाहते हो कि बुक बेस्ड लर्निंग से निकलकर रियल स्किल्स बिल्ड करो तो मिराई को जरूर चेक करना। Last day to register is 20th June. Exam day is 21st June. Link is in the description. Now let's continue our video.
And what was the most challenging topic of your entire JEE preparation?
think rotational motion.
अच्छा, physics में. So how did you tackle it?
I mean, I made sure that my basics were clear in that. So if any question comes, I would be able to solve
Okay.
more. I solved a lot of questions and very carefully I did the PYQs of that topic.
So the takeaway here is if you are having difficulties in topic, practice more, you would be able to tackle it.
Give that topic more time.
And did you have any demotivational phase during your preparation?
Yes, like I had it after JEE Mains 2
Okay.
and like I guess in the month of April.
Almost a year ago.
Yes, yes. So because we had JEE advanced mock tests like thrice or 4 times a week. Period
4
of time.
times a week. JEE advanced 6 hours.
Yes.
Okay.
And like there was a period of time where I was not scoring very good marks. But yeah, so that was a time where I was demotivated. But yeah, like
तो इस टाइम पे तुमने क्या किया था? What did you realize? कि क्या करना चाहिए? How did you come out of it?
like you just practice, you give more papers up. Also, what matters is that how is your mindset during the exam.
Mhm.
So like you have to be calm, you have to read each question carefully, and yeah, like the main thing is practice.
Okay. So मतलब जब तुम्हारे मार्क्स बहुत कम आ रहे थे, तुमने तो मिस्टेक्स आइडेंटिफाई किया, यार ये मेरे से ज्यादा हो गई है। मतलब प्रैक्टिस तो डेफिनेटली इज अ सॉल्यूशन, बट मॉक टेस्ट देने का मेन गोल होता है टू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर यू आर लैकिंग। ऐसा
Yeah,
तुमने कुछ
so,
नोटिस किया था?
Yeah, so one thing I did was silly mistakes. That is definitely a thing you should avoid. So just concentrate during the paper. And then I also used to sometimes like panic during the paper. Like if I'm not able to do questions in a row, then I used to panic.
Okay.
In that case, having a cool mind is very important.
What advice would you give to the students who are aiming for the top rank?
Top rank. So like consistency is very important.
Hmm.
Like just be consistent and give as many like for if you want to get a top rank, give as many mock tests as possible. And also focus on your concepts, like your basics should be very clear.
If you could go back in time to your younger self, who's just about to start a JEE preparation, what advice would you give?
Like don't try after every test you score less marks.
Very used to actually cry after.
Yeah, sometimes. Like when I get very low marks, I used to get emotional.
Okay. तो फिर इसको टैकल कैसे किया?
My mom used to always like
Console.
motivate me, console me.
ठीक है. And what do you think was your biggest mistake of your JEE preparation?
Biggest mistake was I did not have much confidence. Like I mean, if I see a question before doing the question, I used to think this is so tough. Will I be able to do it? Like
Okay.
self-doubt. Self-doubt is something you should like definitely not.
ये एक्चुअली मुझे होता था, पता है, कहीं मतलब जब एकदम मैं शुरू में मॉक टेस्ट दे रहा था ना, तब मैं किसी क्वेश्चन में डायग्राम्स होती थी, एक डायग्राम मैंने देखी वो काफी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड थी, देख के मैं डर गया, नहीं मैं ये क्वेश्चन तो मैं नहीं करूंगा, और मैंने स्किप कर दिया। पर जब मैंने घर आके पेपर देखा, वापस क्वेश्चन पढ़ा, काफी इजी था और हो गया वो सॉल्व। पर एग्जाम में मैंने बस डायग्राम देख के छोड़ दिया, मैंने क्वेश्चन भी पढ़ा नहीं, तो इट इज अगेन द सेम थिंग एज यू मेंशन। तो ये मत करो, खुद पे बिलीव करो, अगर तुम पढ़ाई कर रहे हो तो वो बिलीव भी रखो कि तुम हो उतने कॉन्फिडेंट। ओके, वी हैव एक्चुअली कंप्लीटेड द जेई वाला जेई वाला सेगमेंट ऑफ द इंटरव्यू। नाउ आई हैव समथिंग एल्स लाइक फ्रेशर्स इनटू टाइप सेगमेंट होगा ये। What is the weirdest rumor you have heard in UK?
But that I don't know which building, but some building is haunted.
Oh,
I don't
you're not the first one to answer this thing actually. Do you know Nandan Nilekani is an alumnus of IIT Bombay who donated almost 315 crores to IIT Bombay. So if that money had been given to you, what would you?
That's a lot of money. I don't know.
Still, do you have any
Yeah,
material?
donate.
अरे नहीं, एक वीडियो वाला आंसर नहीं, असली आंसर बताना। डोनेट क्या होता है?
I can't imagine myself having that much money.
Suppose if you have it.
Go on a world tour.
अब आया ना, नहीं तो पहले तो डोनेट। A fictional character you would like to compare yourself with, or you would like to be.
I like Hermione.
Okay. She was also studious. What would you do if you wake up as an opposite gender?
I don't know.
Okay, still, like, if you're given that chance, what would be the thing you would be doing? Something you can't tell is that.
No.
Right. If you could be CEO of any company, which company would?
I like Nike.
Nike. Okay, you have also got the same. What is the craziest thing in your bucket list?
Be rich.
Be rich. Okay, thank you so much, Jovita, for coming here and giving us the insight of your preparation. And I hope aspirants को इससे कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा. Thanks a lot for joining.
Thank you.